In this short video, we are going to learn what is list comprehension. Now I do have a list known as S with all the items that are starting from 10 to 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let us assume we want to create another list which is containing only even numbers of this particular list. So to arrive at that program, we use it to do with the for loop. For I in S, check if I is even number. If I mod 2 is equal to 0, then add this I to another list known as even. Even dot append within brackets I. Let us consider this even as an empty list. So when we do in this way, all numbers which are even are going to be added to the list known as even. So when we try to print the list even, it is going to print only with 10, 12, 10. The same program we want to achieve using the concept known as list comprehension. This happens in one single line. Let us see how we can achieve that. I am removing this entire lines of code. I am creating another list known as even. In this list, I want to add only those elements which are divided by, when we divide the element I with 2, the remainder is going to be 0. For I in S, if I mod 2 is equal to 0, the condition, the for loop traversing, the condition, all of them are included in one single line. So now let us try to print the list even. So we are having the same result. So let me explain line number 2 again. Even is equal to I for I in S. That means each and every element I in the list of items in the list S is going to be traversed. And the condition is going to be verified. Is I mod 2 equal to 0? If so, that I gets added to the list even. This is the syntax for list comprehension. Same thing, I want to do another program where I want to create a list of all square elements. SQ is equal to I multiplied with I for I in S. Here there is no if condition as such. So each I in the list of elements S is going to be traversed, and that I is squared. That means I cross I star I is going to be appended to the list SQ. Now if we try to print SQ is going to have all the elements which can be obtained by squaring each and every element. I into I, 10 into 10, 100, 11 into 11, 121, 12 into 12, 144. Like that, we are going to have list SQ as all the square elements of the list. Yes, let us try to run this run this particular code. If you observe, the list SQ is having all the elements which are squares of the elements that are present in S. This line number 2 is considered as list comprehension. Thank you very much. Hope you understood the concept of list comprehension.